Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Ripple transactions with Gemini step by step clearly. To begin optimizing Ripple transactions with Gemini, first, ensure you have a Gemini account set up. Log in to your Gemini account. Navigate to the Settings menu. Locate the API section within the settings. Generate a new API key if you haven't done so already. This key will allow for secure communication between your software and Gemini. Next, access the Ripple trading interface on Gemini. Review the current trading fees associated with Ripple transactions. To optimize costs, consider trading during off-peak hours. This can help reduce transaction fees and speed up processing times. Once you have your API key, integrate it into your preferred trading software. Configure the trading software to utilize Ripple's XRP ledger effectively. Set up automated trading strategies to minimize manual intervention. Enable limit orders when trading XRP to control your buying and selling prices. Regularly monitor the market for significant XRP price movements. Stay updated on Ripple news that may affect transaction speeds or fees. Consider utilizing features like Instant Buy for quick transactions when needed. Always double-check transaction fees before finalizing trades. Explore advanced features like conditional orders to further enhance your strategy. Analyze your transaction history regularly for ongoing optimization opportunities. Remember, keeping your Gemini account secured is essential for optimizing your transactions. Enable two-factor authentication to provide an additional layer of security. Continuously educate yourself on market trends and Ripple updates. This knowledge will assist you in making informed trading decisions. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your Ripple transactions on Gemini. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.